The Supreme Court just made a 6-3 decision which significantly rolls back the Voting Rights Act and is one of the biggest voting rights setbacks in decades. And the Supreme Court just flipped it on its head this Wednesday, taking away power from the Voting Rights Act and accelerating this new era of modern Jim Crow, which has been here the whole time, but just got a whole lot worse. If you can believe it, a few decades of having laws that protected voting rights did not undo the racism that centuries of slavery and 100 years of overtly anti-black laws did to our society and legal system. This level of racism is institutional. It's all around us. It's the often invisible and a lot of times not so invisible hand of white supremacy that still remains in this country to this day. We have a rogue Supreme Court that is fighting to take away our basic civil rights. I agree with Congressman Al Green in saying that once we have a Democratic president, we should pack the Supreme Court. And it's as Beto O'Rourke says, once we take back power, we got to drive that car like we stole it. If the Republicans are going to bend the rules to take away our human rights, we got to do everything in our power to fight for these human rights and codify them into the Constitution. Once in Congress, I will continue to fight to codify and reinstate the Voting Rights Act, as well as fighting for the For the People Act, which will ban the partisan and racist gerrymandering battle that is going on across this country. It's as civil rights leader John Lewis once said, "The power of the people is greater than the people in power. I need your help. We need to organize a grassroots movement to give a voice to working class people all across this country." May 5th, a few days from now, is the primary election, and I'm asking for your support. Please go to jacksonfranklinforcongress.com, and we can have a system and a nation that truly places people over profits. Thank you.